What is a microorganism? A microorganism is a living organism that is so small that you can only see it clearly by using a microscope. Like all living organisms, microorganisms are made of cells. Many microorganisms are made of only one cell. They are single-celled. There are several different kinds of microorganism. They include bacteria, microscopic fungi, protozoa, and algae. Each of these microorganisms is described later in this topic. Bacteria are everywhere. Bacteria is a plural word. The singular word for just one of them is bacterium. Each bacterium is made of a single cell. Cells of bacteria are much smaller than animal cells or plant cells. You could fit 1,000 of the bacteria in the photograph, lined up end to end, between 2 of the millimeter marks on your ruler. Most bacteria are harmless, but there are a few kinds that can make you ill. Fungi, singular, fungus, are not always microorganisms. Many fungi, including mushrooms and toadstools, are large and easy to see. Mushrooms and toadstools are only part of the fungus's body though, and they only grow at certain times of year. Most of the time, the fungus is just a tangle of very thin threads. The threads often grow under the ground or inside a dead log. The threads are so thin that they are difficult to see without a microscope. There are also some kinds of fungi that do not produce mushrooms or toadstools. They are made of single cells, not threads, so they are definitely microorganisms. The powdery substance that you sometimes see on the surface of grapes is made up of millions of cells of yeast, which is a microscopic fungus. Growing microorganisms. A single microorganism is too small to see without a microscope, but when left to grow, a single cell of a bacterium or fungus divides repeatedly to make a collection of many cells. This collection of cells is called a colony. The colonies are big enough for you to see without a microscope. This can be done safely in the laboratory. Scientists let microorganisms grow in a petri dish containing a special kind of jelly, called agar jelly. The dish and the jelly have to be sterile. This means that any living organisms on them have been killed. If you look at some pond water through a microscope, you will see many tiny living organisms in the water. Some of them are tiny plant-like organisms, called algae. Some of them are animal-like organisms called protozoa. The singular forms of these two words are alga and protozoan.